Hello, hello. If you've never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker from coinringmaker.com. In this video, we're going to be making these two Texas quarters into coin rings. First thing we got to do is punch a hole in them. So let's do that. If you have any questions while I work, feel free to put them in the chat. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen a couple times. Woo! There we go. I'm going to hammer that right on through. Perfect. So there are our two punched quarters. Next step is to clean up the inside edge right here. Now there's a new feature where I can pin multiple products down here. Can you guys tell me what this looks like? Can you see all three rings? Is it like click on it to open more? Tell me what this looks like down here. You don't see anything? Okay. Then let's try and pin one. Do you see a little shopping cart now? Okay, cool. Well, that's where you can get a state quarter coin ring if you'd like to get one. You tap that little shopping cart down there. I got all 50 states, and I can make these in a pretty wide variety of sizes. If you have any questions, please put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. Perfect. So now we got our two punched quarters. The inside's nice and smooth. We're gonna head over here to the 1-ton arbor press. That's right here. Do some folding. Perfect. Now let's stretch these out on the ring stretcher. If anybody wants a quarter coin ring, tap the shopping cart down here. Got these available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. So if you want a really fancy one, that's totally an option. Just pick your state and size, and I'll get to work on it for you. These are all handmade to order, and most people get theirs within about a week because I'm on here making coin rings every day. If you have any specific questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you're enjoying the live, tap the screen a couple times. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the 2 puffs. That's pretty cool. I had somebody yesterday drop like 30 TikToks. They were just like bam, 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 bam. I don't ever get gifts, so I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. Psychic readings, I appreciate it. Anything in my future you want to let me know about? Got any free psychic readings for a coin ring maker? So would I be able to make a coin ring with South Carolina from 2001? So with these state quarters, they were only made 1 year each. Let me see what year South Carolina is. You're 1 year off. The only year South Carolina quarters was made was in the year 2000. So close. So what I'm doing right now is I've actually got 2 rings, so I can show you a before and after. So this one I haven't worked on yet. If you look on the inside right here above the text, there's a bit of a lip or like a line of raised metal on the inside of the ring, and that kind of throws off sizing. It's also not super comfortable. So what I do is I just cut that little lip off, and then it's a lot easier to size, and the ring's much more comfortable. It's even all the way around the inside. So that's what I'm doing there. If anybody wants to get a state quarter coin ring, I've got them available in all 50 states in copper and 90% silver. Tap the shopping cart down here, pick your state and size, and I'll get to work on it for you. If you have any questions, put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. There we go. So we got that one all cleaned up. We'll do this next one. Size 16, I can't go that big in quarters. The max size for quarters is 12. I can do size 16 in larger rings. If you go to my TikTok profile and then tap the website link there, that'll take you directly to my shop. At the top of the page, there's a filtered search button. Tap on that and then go to ring sizes and select size 16, and it'll pull up all the rings I can make in size 16. Yeah, no problem. We got somebody checking out the product. Again, tap that shopping cart if you'd like to get one of these. I've got them in copper and 90% silver. They are all handmade to order, and I've got all 50 states available. If you have any specific questions, put them in the chat. Hit the follow button, tap the screen, check out the product, and ask questions. I'll do something special for you guys. I'll put these on a flash sale real quick. Just bear with me for just a moment. We'll mark them down. All right, you got 5 minutes. You can get them for $30 right now. Usually they're 42 bucks. You get them for $30. Would a $half coin work for size 16? That's not quite big enough. The max size for a $half is 14. So for a size 16, I would recommend like a $1 coin or a 1 ounce silver round, which I have quite a few to pick from on the website. Yeah, these are on sale right now, usually $42. You can get one for 30 bucks. That's $12 off? Yeah. For the next 5 minutes. Perfect. All right, now all we got to do is make sure these are the right size. Give you guys a good look at how they're coming out. Nice Texas quarter coin ring. Had an order for 2 this morning, so that's what we're working on. You gotta get these to size 8. That one's about 8.5, and that one's a little past 8.5. So let's go over here and shrink these down real quick. How much for a Guam quarter coin ring? I can do that. 90% silver one would be $100. Copper is usually 42. If you move real quick, you can get one for 30. And then just add a note that you would like Guam. I do have them in stock. I just don't have it listed on that listing. So just pick a different state and leave a note that you'd like Guam, and I can do that for you. But there's only a couple minutes left on that flash sale, so I'd move quick. Go. That's really close. Perfect. One size 8. Where's the, there we go. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you'd like to get a quarter coin ring, I've got all 50 states available. Just tap the shopping cart at the bottom of the screen, pick your state and size. I'd be happy to get to work on that for you. Got them in copper and 90% silver. Perfect, size 8, let's go. What size is more difficult to make? So most people think that like it's either really big or really small. Size 8 is actually the easiest one to make. If I go really small, like size 4, that's pretty difficult, and also like right on the edge of like size 11, size 12, gets more difficult. So the more change, the more difficult it is. But like size 8 is right in the middle, so these are super easy as far as sizing to get a really nice shape. And you can make them pretty quick, or I can, I don't know. Size 8 is probably the easiest. That's the opposite. I can do size 7 for sure. Yeah, just tap the shopping cart, pick your state and size, and I'll get to work on it for you. Ooh boy. There is our finished Texas quarter coin ring. Dropped the other one on the floor, so I'm going to go dig around for that right now. If you enjoyed this live, hit the follow button, and I hope you'll have a good evening. Catch you next time. Peace.